Atomy is a distribution company. To become an Atomy business owner, you should become a consumer first. What makes you a consumer? Take, for example, daily necessities, such as toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, cosmetics, vitamins, and health supplements that you've used your whole life. Atomy's products stand out for their absolute quality, so you can verify for yourself whether they're better or worse than what you usually get from other places. Next up, consider whether the price is higher or lower than what you've paid before. Atomy sells products of unparalleled quality at prices that no one else can match. We do not sell subpar products at low prices. We choose products of utmost quality that current technology can't surpass, and no one can undersell us. We offer products of absolute quality and absolute price. If you wouldn't use Atomy products outside of the business, or if you prefer shopping at other discounted stores or via home shopping or online shopping platforms, then being a business owner might not be the right fit for you. Such people may find it challenging to thrive as business owners. Why? People have a conscience, and it's disheartening to suggest something to others that you wouldn't use yourself only to face rejection. However, many in Atomy claim they'd still use the products even if they weren't involved in the business. Their perspective is, I use it, so it makes sense to recommend it to my relatives and friends. Using Atomy products has cut my household expenses for cosmetics, detergents, and more by more than half. These are the people who stand to gain the most from the Atomy business. Doing things that help others is the key to success. You cannot achieve success if you're doing things that hurt people. With the emergence of Atomy, people in Korea began acknowledging that multi-level marketing can actually be okay. Many people are saying Atomy products are budget-friendly and quite impressive. Their perspective has shifted. I frequently bike along the Gumgang River. I own a pretty fancy bike, which tends to draw interest from fellow bikers, who often approach for a conversation. And when they see me using Atomy's products, they ask, "You use Atomy products?" A lot of people approach me first, talking about how affordable and great Atomy products are. I enjoy biking and playing golf these days. During golf sessions, I've noticed that nearly all the caddies use Atomy sunscreen. Now let's talk about flight attendants. Ever curious about the products they swear by? Traveling worldwide allows flight attendants to pick and choose affordable and high-quality products from each country. Seeing what products flight attendants are using has become a major factor, and they seem to be using a lot of Atomy products these days. This means that we offer products that are both amazing in quality and provide great value for money. So even if you're not trying to make money at Atomy right now, even if you just buy and use things that you will use cheaply anyway, but you genuinely find value in using and buying Atomy products, then consider becoming a business owner with Atomy. Atomy business is easy. It's not challenging. You just need two things. What's the first step? You need to build a consumer base. And how do you create a good consumer base? You need to become an enthusiast yourself. Why is it necessary to become an enthusiast? Trying a product is the only way to realize how amazing it is. This way, you'll be able to spread the word to other consumers. If you don't use the product, you can't vouch for its quality, making it tough to communicate that. So the first step is to become an enthusiast. Atomy has numerous products that you're not currently using. Visit the website today, see what products are there, and give them a try yourself. By doing that, you can inform those who need them about the products. When you talk about the products, people might call you crazy. That means you're on the right track. If you don't go crazy, you can't go crazy. This phrase means that you have to go all out to make it happen. Being called crazy is a rite of passage for anyone who's accomplished something significant. Sending you my best wishes for good health and all the best. That'll be all for today.